Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a picture. Adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture. And then select another picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture. Save the picture, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. And then select the text option, edit by writing. Select the font option, adjust the font. Select the stroke button, enable button down, adjust the color. Copy the letters to the copy option, change the colors to the color option, adjust the color. Save the letters to the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Change the background to the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.